Hey everyone, is Mint Mobile's Chat with Us feature not working? In this video, I'll guide you through simple steps to resolve the issue and get it back up and running smoothly. Let's get started. Why Mint Mobile Chat with Us not working? Script blocking extensions or browser settings may prevent the chat feature from loading properly. Outdated app or browser versions can cause compatibility issues with the chat function. Internet connection instability may disrupt communication with the Mint mobile servers. Fix 1. Check internet connections. Ensure your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. Poor connectivity can prevent the chat feature from loading. Restart your modem and router by unplugging them for 30 seconds and plugging them back in. Check if other devices can connect to the internet. If not, it may be a network wide issue. Test the connection with an Ethernet cable to rule out Wi Fi related problems. If you are using mobile data, make sure hotspot and mobile data is active. If so, disable it both, wait for 30 seconds, and enable it by accessing quick settings or control center. Fix 2. Keep up timing. Consider contacting Mint customer service during active hours 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. PST to get quick response. If the chat feature remained inaccessible, you can call Mint Mobile customer service directly at 611 from your Mint device or 1-800-683-7392 during business hours 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. PST. Fix 3. Clear browsers, cache, and cookies. If you are using the chat feature on Mint Mobile's website, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data in your browser. On Chrome, click the three dots, go to History, clear browsing data, select cookies and cached images or files, then tap on Clear Data. Safari, press Command plus Y, go to Clear History, alternate method, Safari menu, go to Settings, then Privacy, then go to Manage Website Data and remove all. On Firefox, click the three lines, go to History, then clear recent history, select cookies and cache, clear now, alternate method, settings, go to privacy or security, clear data, select option, clear. On Edge, click the three dots, settings, go to privacy, choose what to clear, select cookies and cache data, clear now, shortcut press Ctrl plus Shift press Delete on Windows or Command plus Shift press Delete on Mac, select options, then tap on clear. If you are using app, clear the app cache by going to settings, then apps, go to Mint mobile storage, clear cache on Android. Offload the app via settings, go to general, then iPhone storage, Mint mobile, offload app on iOS. Clearing cache removes temporary files that could disrupt functionality. Fix 4. Check for script blocking. If you use ad blockers, VPN, or privacy extensions, these might be interfering with the chat function as the site relies on scripts from Ultra.com and other third party providers. To disable script blocking extension, on Chrome, click the three dot menu, go to More Tools, then Extension, find the script blocking extension and toggle it off or click Remove. On Firefox, click the three line menu, Add-ons and Themes, go to Extension, locate the script blocking extension and disable or remove it. On Safari, go to Safari, Settings or Preferences, go to Extension, select the script blocking extension and uncheck Enable or click Uninstall. Fix 5. Try a different browser or device. Switch to a different browser, example Chrome, Firefox, or use another device to access the chat feature. Sometimes compatibility issues arise with certain browsers or devices. Fix 6. Use the Mint mobile app. If the website chat is unresponsive, try accessing the chat feature through the Mint mobile app instead. The app often provides a smooth experience for customer support interaction. Fix 7. Update Mint mobile app. If you are using app and the chat function not working, try updating the app. Update the app by visiting the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store for Android, searching for Mint Mobile and tapping Update. This ensures you have the latest version, which may fix bugs affecting the chat function. Fix 8. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Uninstalling and reinstalling helps resolve issues like corrupted files or improper installation, which may cause errors in the chat function. On iOS, uninstall the app by pressing and holding its icon on the home screen, tap Remove App, select Delete App. Reinstall the app by opening the App Store, Search for Mint Mobile, tap the cloud icon or get to download and install it. On Android, press and hold the Mint Mobile app icon on your home screen and select Uninstall. Reinstall the app by visiting Google Play Store, search for Mint Mobile, tap Install to download and set it up again. Fix 9, wait for some time. Mint Mobile may experience an service outage. You can see the notification in chat window itself. If there is a widespread issue, the chat feature may be temporarily unavailable. If so, it will resolve automatically within 2 hours. Try again after some time. Additional tips. If none of these steps work, consider reaching out to Mint Mobile's customer support via email or social media platforms for assistance. Keep an eye on updates from Mint Mobile regarding technical issues or maintenance that might affect the chat functionality. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.